This picture you are seeing right here is shot on this iPhone that I'm holding right now. It's an iPhone 6s Plus. So as you can see, the picture is really great. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get perfect pictures like this on your small iPhone. So I'm going to show you a few steps on how I edited this picture to be like this in just a short time. So first, let me show you the normal picture. Here's the normal picture right here. Here's the edited picture. Check this one, the normal picture and the edited picture. You see you see the background, right? The background is crazy, you know what I'm saying? The background is crazy. Then you see the normal picture, then you see the edited picture. So make sure you stay tuned to this video so that I will show you how the steps in which you can snap and get a perfect frame rate like this picture right here, then and how you can edit and get this blurry background on your picture. So the first thing, I will want us to go to the camera first so that I will show you how you're gonna set your camera to snap. So as soon as you are in your camera, you can set your camera to vivid, or you can leave it like this, then set it when you are editing the picture. But this is not the most important part right here. When you are about to snap your pictures, when you are into your camera, all I need you to do is to zoom it to this level, you know what I'm saying? So zoom it to this level so that when you snap the picture, the frame rate will kinda be cool, you know what I'm saying? So the frame rate will kinda be cool if you zoom it to this level. And this is the first thing that you're gonna do when snapping your pictures in a small phone to get a perfect view. So let's come to the editing part. So you see this picture right here, this is the edited one, but I'm going to edit this picture again, then get this nice quality, then with this bokeh. So let's go to the original picture so that I will show you how you can make your own picture to be like this one without having a blurry camera or a bokeh camera. So let's go to the original picture right here. Let's come to the original picture right here. The first thing you're gonna do is to go to edit. The editing settings might seem differently if you are using a normal iPhone 6 or a 6 Plus, but if you are using from an iPhone 6s, then it will be okay. You will have all these settings that I'm having right here. So if you do not set your picture mode to vivid when snapping, then you are just going to come to this filter option, then click on vivid right here, then click on OK. That's the first thing that you're gonna do. Then the second thing, you are going to come to this adjustment icon right here, then you are going to scroll. So the reason why I'm not going to touch the highlight on this picture is because the picture is kind of red all the way around. The skin is red, so if you touch this highlight, then it will be more red, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to go to next. But if yours is not red, then you are going to push the backlight backward so that it will adjust the background. But my picture is red and I'm going to do that. So I will come to shadows, then you will put shadows in front a little bit. I'm showing you only the options that I use in most cases to get perfect pictures like that, like the edited one that I show you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to come to contrast right here, push contrast backward. You see how sweet the picture is getting right now, and you can really play with this contrast. Girls love this type of stuff because they like snapping pictures on Snapchat. So if you do like that stuff, you can push it all the way around that you want. But I want this picture to look at least realistic, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to skip brightness, then come to black point, then I'm going to push it backward, you know what I'm saying? So you see that when I push it backward, the picture really looks cool right now. Then I'm going to skip saturation, but I'm going to come back for it, but I'm going to come here to vibrance. So this is the big deal right here, because when I push this vibrance, you will see that it does not really do something with the color of the skin, but it takes the background of the photo first. So as you can see, when I'm pushing it, it adjusts the picture in a very good way. So I'm going to leave it right here, then come back. The picture is kind of too red, then push this saturation backward a little bit. So as soon I think the picture is okay for me right now, but you can play with these settings that I have used here anyhow that you want. So, and the worm right here, you can play with it too, but I don't actually use this most of the time. If you want to get this type of color picture, then you can use this worm right here, but I'm not going to touch it. So I love the picture to be like this. So I'm gonna save the picture right now, then show you how you can get the bokeh on the picture, and this will be the last step. So how you can get the bokeh, you are going to download this app on your app store, which is called Focus. Just go to your app store and search the app which is called Focus. You know what I'm saying? So as soon as you have downloaded the app from the app store, when you open the app, it will open like this. And the thing you're gonna do here is that you are going to select the picture in which you wanna apply the blur on. So this is the picture that we are working on. I'm just going to click on the picture. Then the app will take some time to check on the blur on the picture. So as you can see, the blur have been applied on the picture already. You know what I'm saying? So, and you can adjust the size of the blurry background right here. You can push it up. You see how the blur background is changing and the picture really looks cool. Then you can check on, if you apply the blur and it did not focus well, then you can adjust the focus right here. You understand? You can adjust the focus right here. And if you want to change the blur shape, just look at the background. Let me click on this one right here. You will see that the blur shape have changed, but I like using this basic because it's kind of soft. This first one right here, this one is hard. When you click on there, you'll see that the blur is hard. I like using this one. Then I will adjust it right here the way that I want. And most options right here, you will need to get the pro version of the app before you can use it, but all these options that I'm using right here are totally free. I'm using the free version. And if you want to change how the background is looking, if you want to adjust the color of the background only, then you can push it backwards. You see that when I push it backward, the background won't be red, and when I push it in front, it will get a very perfect background. And let me show you another thing right here. If you open your picture and the blur does not automatically attach the blur on the picture well, then you can come to this brush option right here, then undo the coloring yourself. Let's say for example the blur was on your face right here. The blur is on your face right here and you want to cancel, because you see this color blur, you see this coloring in the background. If it steps into your face right here, that means that your face is going to blur. So if you see that there is a blur on your face, then you can click on right here, then cancel it. You see this small, you see these yellow colors right here, you can cancel it from there. And if you want a color, let's say there are some parts in the body that haven't been blurred in the corner, backgrounds that haven't been blurred, then you can come to eraser, then blur the backgrounds, blur the area. Well, you know what I'm saying, you can blur it. So as soon as you have blur, these sides are not, this side right here does not have a problem, because not all corners have to blur like this downside, so that you can get a perfect something. So as soon as you have colored the background without touching the skin, then you are just going to click on OK right here. You see how perfect the picture is right now. Then for you to save the picture, you're just going to click on this up button right here, and you can choose to override the original picture inside the phone, or you can choose to save a copy. So when I click on right here, it's going to save but the copy of the picture. So let's go into my photos right now and check the picture that we just worked on. Wow, so you can see what I'm saying, right? You can see this perfect picture. I snapped this picture on this my iPhone. It's an iPhone 6s Plus, without any blurry background, without any blur mode on the camera. So if you love this type of video, make sure you like my video, subscribe to my channel for more tutorial videos, and make sure you comment if this video helps you. And let me just show you that this is the iPhone that I'm using right now. If I come to about right here, you will see that I'm using an iPhone 6s Plus. So goodbye for now.